welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I want to talk to you about two particular projects that I am extremely excited about in 2022, which for me, like when I talk about new things coming out, new projects, when I research into things, when I start to get a very good understanding of the potential of a project, then I start to weigh in on all the things that I want to do with it, how much of my portfolio I want it to become, for it to become a part of, and assess all case scenarios, right? The good, the bad, the ugly, and figure out where it sits in my portfolio and for how long it's going to be in my portfolio. And these are all things that we all must do when we look at things. But when it comes to 2022 and all the things that are going to be launching throughout this year, I mean, we're only in the middle of February, right? So there's a lot of things that are going to happen in 2022 in the cryptocurrency space. But ATPAY and THELOVECHAIN really have me excited about both of them in 2022 for when they do launch. Now, today, I'm going to give you an overview of why I'm excited for them to be launching in 2022. I have shared videos about them in the past as well, and I do encourage you to go and check them out. Now, for those of you that are unaware, that you're new to the channel, welcome. For those of you celebrating Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers in the world, and my appreciation to you guys for being my supporters and showing me every single day lots of love and appreciation. I appreciate every single one of you. Now, ATPAY, I'm going to kick off with this one first. It is a DeFi e-commerce solution for consumers and merchants. So it's the Afterpay of the cryptocurrency world. So if you imagine Afterpay, but you add blockchain, you add DeFi, you add so many amazing things that blockchain can do, this is a big one. This is massive what is coming in 2022. I'm going to show you some of the articles that have been written about it, some of the things that are happening behind the scenes. Now, for now, ATPAY.io, ATPAY.io is all you need to do at the moment, right? So you register your interest, you put your first name, your email address, and away you go. There's nothing else for you to do right now. There is no coin for you to purchase. There is no pre-sale. Everything that this particular organization has done out of their own pocket. So unlike many other projects in the world, these two that I'm showing you, the company themselves have done every little aspect of the development themselves. They've not asked a single cent from their community to go out there and build their projects. To me, this isn't just a green flag. This is like a sea of green flags. When a company, an organization, a team of people do not ask for a single dollar from the community to build everything, that there shows extreme confidence, not only in the development team, but also in how much they back themselves in a project. For me, it's an extreme green flag. But let's dive a little bit deeper into how this works, what it is. So ATPAY is a DeFi, decentralized finance protocol that is the first buy now, pay later platform built integrating blockchain technology with its own cryptocurrency. ATPAY will offer significant cost savings to all participants in the ecosystem by utilizing smart contract technology and blockchain. ATPAY aims to be a key participant offering DeFi e-commerce in-store solutions to shoppers and merchants. One of the great things I like about it is the stake point of view. So you can stake stable coins and earn a yield. You can stake your approved stablecoin, means you also receive ATPAY governance tokens as an added bonus. So this is where when you look at someone like Afterpay and you look at this, they're going to be blown out of the water just from a staking point of view, right? Then, obviously, having the actual ATPAY token, having your other tokens in here, from a shop point of view, right? So ATPAY gives approved users the ability to purchase online or in-store from merchants on the platform. So that there gives, shop owners a new avenue, a new way of doing things. And when you go into the stores as well, it will automatically convert your crypto into whatever currency that particular merchant accepts. So from a merchant point of view, they don't have to worry about, oh God, I got to accept payments in BNB and then I need to transfer that. And no, they'll receive it. If they want to receive it in AUD or USD or whatever currency they want, as a merchant, they will be able to receive that. But as a user, you can use your crypto with the app. So that there is going to be awesome. And again, from a merchant's point of view, you got governance token, you got the e-commerce solution, you got the incentivized shoppers, and removes credit risk. So removing the credit risk, merchants makes a sale and is paid in full instantly. That's one of the big things about the buy now, pay later system that has trended around the world and has become a huge phenomenon around the world. And more people are going towards that than using credit cards these days, right? Especially Gen Z. Like Gen Z love this stuff. Now, the white paper of ATPAY is 65 pages. And you got no if, no buts. I want you to read every single line that is written inside this particular paper. Because if you come to me, you ask me a question that's inside this, I'm literally just sending you the PDF. ATPAY is going to be one of the biggest launches of 2022. If you can't be bothered reading 65 pages, sorry, can't help you. My job, Crypto Serpent, comes on, gives you 10 to 12 minute videos, shows you my research, my hours and hours on research into bite-sized information, so that then you can go away and do your own research. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm showing you what I see. Then it's your job to research and make sure that you understand what it is that is happening here. If you message me 2-3 months after this launches and you're like, oh God, I should have listened to you. Yeah, I'm going to throw the book at you. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm showing you what this is now. And of course, you can read about, who are the people involved, how does that work. You can ask questions as well if you want, and submit it. And we'll look at the partners. Look at the partners involved. Algorand, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, FibSwap, Luna PR. And this isn't launched yet. There's so much that is going to be happening and coming out to you. It's going to be incredible. Now, follow and alarm bell the social media accounts. Follow and alarm bell the social media accounts. Now, they were recently featured in the Entrepreneur Middle East magazine. They were recently on there. Like this, and it's not launched yet. It's not launched yet. That's how important it is for you to research today rather than when it's too late. But on the social media accounts, you see all the different articles, all the different things that are happening. Buy now, pay later, banks, next frontier to expanding customer. There's just so much happening on here. Expanding customer credit base. You don't look at things for what they are today. You look at things for what they're going to be and what the trends are. And the trends are that buy now, pay later is becoming more and more popular. And that is only going to continue to grow. And this is going to be the very first buy now, pay later system utilizing the power of blockchain. I hope that these couple of minutes that I have spent on ATPAY makes you realize that this is something that you really want to heavily research with. You want to do your own research. You want to be ready, be liquid when the time comes. The time is not now. The time now is for you to research, understand, put it on your radar, and then when the time comes, take action and be ready. And thank me later. Now, the Love Chain. Now, the Love Chain is a social media platform celebrating love. It is a decentralized social media platform. Now, I don't know about you, but people are getting sick and tired of Facebook. Look at the plummet that occurred on their stock. They're confused. People are just sick of it. They're just tired of it. Now, social media platforms without the blockchain have huge problems from a security point of view, from an authenticity point of view. I mean, just look at all the fake comments that are on this channel, right? On the blockchain, that's not possible. On the blockchain, that's not possible. They cannot do that on the blockchain. Now, the Love Chain will be the first decentralized social media platform that will allow you to NFT your post. NFT your post using the Algorand blockchain. The Algorand CEO is super excited about this. There are only going to be 8 billion rewards tokens which will be made available for content creators. So even if you don't want to purchase Love Chain coins at the time that it launches, as a content creator, there will be a cap of only 8 billion rewards tokens available, which you as a content creator will be able to earn. But once all 8 billion are gone, that's it. It's done. So there is a lot for you to research here in regards to how this is going to work. What are all the features and benefits that are going to be happening with it? Again, right now, there isn't anything else that you need to do. You just have to stay updated with what is coming, what is happening, and all the things that are going to be moving forward once this takes off and actually launches. Now, I can tell you that the app itself is in beta testing, getting the final test done to make sure that everything works, everything is solid, everything is rock solid from that point of view. Now, the Love Chain white paper is 83 pages long. That's it. 83 pages. I want you to go over it. I want you to go the overview, the introduction, why, how, the business model, the vision and objectives, the core network, the identifying the problem, the team, the strategy. Go over everything. Go over everything about it. Follow the social media accounts. Put the alarm bell on. Binance are talking about why our social media platform expanding into SocialFi and NFTs. What that's going to be like, right? What the future of social media platforms is. And the future of social media platforms is having SocialFi, having NFTs on there, and the Love Chain already will come out with all of that already on. There's a Telegram group. There is so much for you to do. And I just really hope that you are as excited as I am. Once you do your research on these two projects, I really, really hope that you get excited and that you follow and that you come along on the journey with me. And again, it's not financial advice, but I want you guys to know that I am super, super excited about these two. I'm going to be right there in the thick of it with you guys on the day of launch of these things. When they do come out, I will be bringing you updates on them to make sure to remind you to stay up to date, to understand what is going to happen. But these two are going to play a significant role in cryptocurrency launches in 2022. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.